How to roll over your 401k to a gold IRA. The precious metals market has been on the rise for several years now, which means this would be the perfect time to roll over your 401k to a gold IRA if you haven't already done so. This will allow you to take advantage of the soaring value of gold and silver while you still have time to watch your investments grow. Here's how to roll over your 401k to a gold IRA, step by step. If you're leaving your job, you may be wondering what to do with your 401k. One option is to roll it over into an individual retirement account, IRA. This can be a good choice if you're young and have time to let your money grow. However, if you're closer to retirement, you may want to consider rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA. Gold is a stable investment that can help protect your nest egg from inflation. Plus, gold IRAs offer tax benefits that other types of IRAs don't. If you're not sure what to do with your 401k, talk to a financial advisor. They can help you decide if rolling it over into a gold IRA is the right choice for you. There are some things you should know about rolling over your 401k into an IRA. One is that you can roll over only what you've contributed from your paycheck, not any money that has grown through investment gains. In addition, you'll want to check your new provider's policies for what happens if you need access to funds before retirement. Finally, note that rolling over your money won't change when you have to start taking required minimum distributions, RMDs. You'll still need to take RMDs after age 70 and a half, but they can be taken as cash instead of being reinvested in another account like with a traditional IRA. Why invest in precious metals? There are several reasons why people choose to roll over their 401k into precious metals. One reason is that they believe that the price of gold will continue to rise. Another reason is that they think that the US dollar is going to lose its status as the world's reserve currency. Still, another reason is that they think the Federal Reserve will keep raising interest rates. Another reason people invest in precious metals is that they think gold will outperform stocks. According to a recent analysis of S&P 500 returns, gold has outperformed stocks more often than not over time. From 1950 through 2016, there were 12 years when stocks beat gold and 8 years when silver did better than stocks. Only platinum outpaced stocks during that period, not counting dividends on either asset class, which aren't relevant in retirement accounts. The pros and cons of rolling over a 401k to gold. If you're thinking about rolling over your 401k into gold, there are pros and cons to consider. On one hand, gold has been an excellent investment historically. It's also considered a safe haven asset, meaning that investors tend to flock to it when other assets are declining in value. However, gold prices fluctuate quite frequently, so it's not necessarily a good idea to invest in gold simply because it's rising in value. In terms of gold's value as an investment, there are many factors at play. At its core, gold is valued for its rarity, which is what gives it worth in trade. However, there are several other factors that affect gold prices. Some types of gold have unique properties that make them more valuable than others, and some types of physical gold, such as American Eagle coins, have collectible value over and above their base metal content. Making the decision. Many people choose to roll over their 401k to a gold IRA because they believe it will be a more stable investment. However, there are some things you should keep in mind before making this decision. First, you will need to find a reputable company that offers gold IRAs. Second, you will need to make sure that your current 401k is eligible for rollover. Third, you will need to calculate how much money you will need to invest in order to get the desired amount of gold. Fourth, you will need to decide whether you want a traditional IRA or Roth IRA. Fifth, you will need to open a new account with the chosen company and fund it. Sixth, you will need to transfer your assets from your old account to your new account. A gold IRA is essentially an individual retirement account that invests in physical gold. The advantage of doing so is that it offers greater stability and protection against inflation than traditional assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Many financial experts believe that tangible assets will fare better over time than intangible ones. However, it is important to remember that investing in gold comes with some risks, including high volatility and liquidity issues. Self-directed IRAs, the best option for you. A self-directed individual retirement account, IRA, is an excellent way to invest in gold. You can roll over your existing 401k into a self-directed IRA, which gives you more control over your investment choices. With a self-directed IRA, you can choose to invest in physical gold, gold ETFs, or gold mining stocks. Gold is a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your wealth from inflation. According to some, gold is actually more effective at reducing volatility than other, more traditional options. In fact, many investors believe that in turbulent economic times, like 2008, gold provides stability for retirement funds and generates positive returns when other investment types perform poorly. And, if you're looking for downside protection in your retirement portfolio, which is an excellent idea, then investing in gold might be a good choice. However, investing in physical gold requires significant capital and some expertise to handle properly. If you aren't set up for that type of investment or don't want all your retirement money tied up in just one option like physical gold, such as taking custody of it yourself, then you might want to invest in ETFs or mining stocks instead. Is a gold IRA right for me? A gold IRA can be a great way to diversify your retirement portfolio and protect your savings from inflation. But is it right for you? Here are 7 things to consider before making the switch. 1. How much gold do you want to hold in your portfolio? 2. What is your investment goals? 3. What is your risk tolerance? 4. What are the fees associated with a gold IRA? 5. How will you diversify your gold holdings? 6. What is the process for rolling over your 401k to a gold IRA? 7. What are the tax implications of a gold IRA? You'll also want to consider other types of gold retirement accounts, including SEP IRAs and Roth IRAs. A SEP IRA allows you to make annual contributions of up to 25% of your income or $55,000, whichever is less, if you earn an annual salary. Because these plans have fewer restrictions than a traditional 401k or traditional IRA, you may be able to save more money overall. Roth IRAs are funded with after-tax dollars so that when withdrawals are made during retirement, no income taxes will be due on any gains. In order for them not to incur taxes, withdrawals must be taken after age 59 and a half and can only include amounts that were contributed from taxable earnings. Choosing the best gold IRA companies. A gold individual retirement account, IRA, can be a great way to invest in gold and secure your financial future. But with so many companies out there, how do you choose the best one? Here are 7 things to look for when choosing a gold IRA company. 1. They should have a good reputation and be well established. 2. They should offer a wide range of products and services. 3. They should have low fees and commissions. 4. They should provide good customer service. 5. They should have a simple and easy process for opening an account. 6. They should offer storage options in multiple locations. 7. They should be insured against theft and loss. This list isn't exhaustive, but it's a good starting point for anyone looking to set up an individual retirement account. If you can find a company that provides all these things, you can be sure you'll have made an informed decision. Other considerations when rolling over your 401k to gold. If you're like most people, you probably have a 401k through your employer. But what happens when you leave that job? You have the option of cashing out, but that's not always the best idea. Instead, you can roll over your 401k into an individual retirement account, IRA. And if you're looking for even more security for your retirement, you might want to consider rolling over your 401k into a gold IRA. You'll want to review your options thoroughly before deciding how to move forward with rolling over your 401k. Consider your financial needs, time frame and current holdings before making any decisions. It's worth talking with an independent financial advisor who can help you weigh all of your options. There may be certain tax benefits or other advantages for one option over another, so there are many reasons why it's smart to consult an expert before choosing what is best for you.
Have you seen our inflation and retirement calculator yet? Get instant information on cash and inflation, asset growth and inflation, cost of living increases, and your retirement scenario. Just go to inflationcalculator.us to get instant information. You'll be glad you did. Thanks so much for watching. Visit our website at goldira-rollover.com to read more about gold investing, retirement, and much more. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks.